question of the board. Why would matriarchs bring rival to their household to merit their own child? It's difficult to understand how they are able to let their husbands marry another wife. From this, I wonder, should one be jealous in marriage?
No, but 1 second. It's not matriarchs. It's only one. It's only Sarah, right? No, nobody else did it, right? Unless we read in different books, only Sarah did it, and we saw how disastrous was it, right? And so Sarah was barren, and she knew from her birth, and she knew that Avraham was supposed to have progeny, but from where? If she's barren, from where these kids are going to come, right? So she thought maybe in some merit. So for a woman to have this another woman in the house, or even a second woman in the kitchen. Forget about the house, to live with somebody is another one. Like in a kitchen, right? To women in the kitchen, it's disaster. You understand? So Sarah said, "Okay, I'm going to put my head down, and if it's better for Avraham, for my dear husband to fulfill his purpose in life, and that's what Hashem wants, right? To bring children from somebody else, not from me. That's what I'm going to do." Right, and that's how she agreed. But from this, we know what disaster was it. Right? It did not work very well for none of them. Right, not for Sarah, not for Avraham, because he loved Ishmael very much. Right, and not for Hagar. Okay. And now we know this Ishmaelim, right? Not good. But as a reward for that, she got her own child, but don't try it at home. So one person did it, and that's it. That's enough. Okay, what else?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.